Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are going to make miso soup. It can be made simple or luxuriously rich. This soup is so yum. Specially mentioned, 2 of the ingredients I used. Red miso paste is the souvenir from my trip to Takayama, Japan. And the dried seaweed, Hokkaido Ri Shiri Konbu, is a gift from my sister in her trip to Japan. Miso is the fermented paste made by soybean, rice, or barley. This traditional Japanese ingredient goes well with almost everything. Tastes good and good for your health. Let's get started together. Ingredients in 2 categories. First, for the soup base, 960 grams of water, 4 cups. 30 grams of dried seaweed, about a third cup. 30 grams of dried fish flakes, about 2 cups. Second, for other ingredients, 300 grams of pork, about 10 ounces. 100 grams of mushroom, about a half cup. 300 grams of tofu, about 1.5 cup. 100 grams of deep-fried soybean curd, about a half cup. 300 grams of radish, about 2 cups. 30 grams of green onions, about 2 stems. And the most important ingredient, 30 grams of red miso paste, about 2 tablespoons. Preparation: chop all the ingredients. Pork in 2-inch length thin slices. Radish peeled and chopped in 2-inch length strips. Mushrooms in 2-inch length thin slices. Green onions in 1/4-inch dices. Tofu in 1-inch cubes. Deep-fried soybean curd in long shreds. Clean the deep-fried soybean curd with hot water. Get rid of those oil residues. Clean the dried seaweed. Soak it in 4 cups of water for 30 minutes. Cooking process for soup base. Put the seaweed water in a pot. Turn on the low heat. Let it slowly cook. When it starts boiling, have the soaked seaweed taken out. Add the dried fish flakes. Turn off the heat. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Have the fish flakes filtered out. The soup base is complete. For other ingredients, except miso paste, we can put all the other ingredients into the soup. Before that, I like to have them seared and sauté a little bit. Start with a clean pot, add some oil, sear the pork, and have it taken out. Add radish, mushrooms, soup base, 2 kinds of tofu, add the white part of green onions. Let all these ingredients cooked for 20 minutes until the radish is cooked through. Adding miso paste, scoop up some soup and mix with miso paste. Put the mixture back to the pot. Add the pork, let it cook for 3 more minutes, and the miso soup is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please always remember that life is beautiful. You are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!